Ahoy, shipmates, Facebookers, YouTubers, and people who love the John Deere 600 AMT series. Now, the 600 AMT series, and AMT means all material transporters, were the forerunners of the great John Deere Gators that a lot of people have. I have two of the 600s, and the 600s only have 5 wheels, as do the 622s and the 626s, but mine are steered like a motorcycle. Hydraulic lift bed, just fill that dump bed up with stuff and dump it out. I love mine, and I've sort of got into those. A lot of fun. Now, Ginny and I are getting back on the road. Going to start making the videos again. Now, I do have to excuse myself and make not an excuse, but a reason. I have this. I don't know if you can see it or not. Can you? I had quite a lengthy treatment, radiation therapy, for prostate cancer. And although we've known for years I've had it, but it finally got to where I needed to do something about it. So that took me out, and I'll tell you what, I'd rather take a beating with a stick, because that makes you, you just feel like, unscrew my toe and drain it all out. Of course, then we have the COVID-19, fully vaccinated, myself and Ginny and Terry and everybody we know. And so we've made two trips, one to Georgia to pick up a 626 to use to take apart and sell as parts, and one to Minnesota to pick up a 600 for me, and then another one to Michigan to pick up a 600 and take that over to a wonderful young lady over in Burnsville, North Carolina. And we'll get the videos about those and all the stuff that's been going on. But I just wanted to tell you that we're back on the air again. Now, I do have a new video editing program, and I'm lost as a goose in the dark. I tell you what, I remember that I was finally learning, to do nice things, and the videos were getting better and better and better, and then we've gone to zero again. So we're at the bottom of the ladder. We're going to work our way back up, and hopefully you'll enjoy some. Now, I'm also starting a new channel, the Old Geezer Workshop, and that's where I'm going to be working. I have thousands and thousands of tools, literally thousands, and so I'm going to do some work on those, show some work on the 600s and the 626s, do some plastic welding on the body, on them and all. And I hear Peppy the dog, woof, 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 inconvenient, barking. Anyway, we're going to go back to doing that, going to go back to having a really, really great time. And gosh, I hope you enjoy them. Now, I never do ask for you to subscribe, and I never do ask for you to hit the like button if you enjoy the video. If you do, good. If you want to do that, good. Because I don't care about getting the money one way or the other. I think I'd probably have to live to be 1 million to get enough subscribers and viewers to be able to get any kind of money. But anyway, I'm going to have that channel out, and what I'll do is when I publish something to that channel, I'll publish the link on this channel. So, we're back just right now from the Michigan, North Carolina, Georgia, Mississippi, Texas trip, and I will start working on those, get them published. And I have missed my YouTube and Facebook friends very, very much, and I say that with sincerity. Hope y'all all have come through all this fine. I hope that you've had your vaccinations and that your lives are starting to get back in step. I know that Ginny and I, since we've traveled all of our lives, being my occupation and being in the military for 20 years, in the Coast Guard, and then as a ship's captain and all, we travel, and we surely did miss it. But we're back on the road again. So, as Willie Nelson would say, back on the road again. So, thank you very much for listening to this short little thing, and I wish you the very best. And so, I'll see you later, and adios.